Welcome to Drakensberg Discoveries, where we embark on an awe-inspiring journey through South Africa's majestic Drakensberg Mountains. Known as the Dragon Mountains, this UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a breathtaking tapestry of towering peaks, lush valleys, and ancient rock art. Join us as we hike through rugged trails, uncover hidden waterfalls, and explore the rich cultural history of this natural wonder. From the highest peaks to the deepest gorges, the Drakensberg promises an adventure like no other. Let's begin our exploration of this extraordinary landscape.
Hello and good morning from my high campsite here in the Drakensberg. Today is day one of exploring the Berg. So we are going to go hiking a little bit later.
As we set off on the Tugela Gorge Trail, the path leads us through a captivating landscape of dense forests and serene riverbanks.
Really nice. It's extremely beautiful, yes. Sure.
As we walk, the towering cliffs of the Amphitheatre come into view.
Welcome to the Amphitheatre.
The trail winds its way closer to the majestic Tugela Falls, the highest waterfall in the world. Each step brings us deeper into this breathtaking wilderness, revealing the natural splendor of the Drakensberg in all its glory.
Okay, we've done some boulder hopping. Now we're in the gorge. And we're on our way to the tunnel and the ladder. Wow. Nice and cool.
At the time of our visit, the Drakensberg had experienced a damaging storm that left its mark on the trail as well. This and the fact that the river was higher than usual made navigation in the gorge very challenging.
I can see it. It's over there. But I don't know how to get there.
I just don't know where I am anymore, so I'm going back.
Coffee time. Good morning.
Leaving behind the tranquil beauty of Mahai campsite, we embark on a scenic drive along the Berg. Our destination, the enchanting Monk's Cowl.
Right, so now we're at Monk's Cowl. Tent is up. Here's our little site at Monk's Cowl. We're going to have a little bit of lunch first and then see what else there is here and what there's to do here and what hikes there are to do.
Monk's Cowl is a hiker's paradise with various day hikes to choose from, and we decide to head out to Nandi Falls.
Start of the trails for today. And we're doing the circular walk. So let's be off.
Yes.
Coming down is the Champagne Valley.
Yeah, all the way down from where we came, turned off at Winterton, all the way up to here, where the road ends at Monk's Cowl. Some guy who came to hike up the castle, he brought a bottle of champagne along with him to open at the top when he got there. But he dropped it along the way and broke it.
Oh my word, oh shame.
And so then the name stuck. It became Champagne Castle and the valley below it, Champagne Valley. Well, there's the Sterkspruit Falls.
Yeah, but you can't get to see the whole falls because something must have fallen away or washed away, because you can't go further than that. So this is all you can see of the falls. But
oh well.
There we go. And we made it! Yay! Welcome to Nandi Falls!
Right up to the top of the falls. Like a curtain, like a lace curtain coming down. And you can stand right in front of it.
we enjoy a moment of serenity at the base of the falls, where we have a few snacks in the most beautiful picnic spot. Reluctantly, we head back along the trail to the campsite. But the hiking bug has truly bitten, and the next day we find ourselves on the trail out to Blind Man's Corner via the Sphinx. This strenuous trek takes us up to the top of the plateau, offering stunning views all the way up. The ascent is challenging, but every step rewards us with breathtaking views of the surrounding peaks and valleys. Reaching Blind Man's Corner, we pause for a quick lunch at the foot of the Highmoor.
Okay, lunchtime.
Leftovers. Yes.
Pasta with sausage and sun-dried tomato pesto. There we go. Lovely. So we are going to go back Kirtland's Pass.
Yep. Descending Kirtland's Pass is no small feat. The path is narrow and overgrown, with sections washed out by recent storms adding to the challenge. Each step must be taken with care as the trail steepens dramatically, demanding our full attention. The descent is tough and at times downright scary, but the breathtaking views around us serve as a reminder of the wild beauty of the Drakensberg. After the ordeal of Kirtland's Pass, we're not going to take on another trail, but decide instead to drive out to Cathedral Peak, Didima, to visit the Rock Art Centre.
Oh, there you are. Rock Art Centre.
Please note, Rock Art Centre is currently closed. We apologise for any inconvenience caused. Oh, so they're closed.
It's a giant pity.
Okay, so I suppose we'll go on and see.
Unfortunately, we weren't even going to see the rock art at Underberg Nature Reserve either.
Apparently, the rock art is in caves. It takes you 3 hours round trip to walk there. So we don't have the time now, unfortunately.
Yeah, that's
a
pity.
We thought the Rock Art Centre was like an interpretive centre and so, but apparently the lady at reception says it is just a video that you can watch. So we got ourselves a little pamphlet here and gonna have a look, so maybe next time we come through we can make time to go and see the rock art.
Yes, yeah.
The past 2 days we've been camping out at a very cold but beautiful Glen guest farm, just below the stunning Highmoor with its fly fishing dams and vast grasslands.
Now that's a view across the dam.
I can't believe it. I can't actually believe that we're standing here in short sleeves and I had 4 layers on this morning.
But what's even so much more amazing is the quiet up here.
The silence here reminds me of the Cedarberg. Oh, we so have to come back here.
We'll have to make a list of all the places to come back to.
Oh yes, for sure.
But now we're heading south, and the views just get bigger as we go, all the way to Underberg and Glen Lodge and horse trails. Home to the stocky Basuto ponies, we'll also get a chance to ride.
Oh, welcome to our rondable. Yay! Cheers.
Okay, so the paperwork is done. So I guess we've just got to get our helmets fitted.
Yes.
and then wait for one of these horses.
I got your Steadily.
Right, so I'm up to, I've got sparkles.
Riding Basuto ponies through the Drakensberg is an experience like no other. These sure-footed and resilient horses native to Lesotho navigate the rugged terrain with ease, allowing us to take in the stunning landscapes from a unique vantage point. After our amazing horse ride, we go in search of more magnificent views, and the drive into Sani Pass delivers, taking our breath away at every turn. As we wind our way through the towering peaks and verdant valleys, we soak in dramatic landscapes that define this iconic route.
Okay, so we made it here to the Fountain of Youth.
Unfortunately, without our passports, we can't venture up the pass into Lesotho, but the journey to the border post alone is more than worth it. The stunning scenery and sense of adventure make this drive an unforgettable part of our Drakensberg exploration.
This is the border post, and I wonder if I just go in and turn and come out. There's the board, South Africa border post.
It's a good thing that we don't need a passport to enter the Eastern Cape, where the Drakensberg continues as the Eastern Cape Highlands, and we're heading to the little village of Rhodes. But the weather has other plans, and it starts snowing as we reach Elliot, and so we decide to stay over at the base of the famous Barkley Pass. In Taba Lodge.
Yes, Ntaba Lodge. But it's very nice. And Susanna's making use of the complimentary coffee and tea station to make us a nice cup of coffee. Yes. Because it's freezing.
Here's your coffee.
Oh, thank you so much. I'll get it there now.
Good morning. Oh, it's bitterly cold.
It is 1 degree outside, inside here in the car, and it is now 9:15 in the morning.
The Barkley Pass is the only tarred road on the 8 Passes circuit in the Eastern Cape. This mountain pass, named after Sir Henry Barkley, a former governor of the Cape Colony, connects Elliot and Barkley East, winding its way through the dramatic southern Drakensberg. The road climbs to an altitude of 2,018 meters, revealing sweeping views of the peaks, valleys, and rolling hills.
Wow, this farmer got quite a bit of snow. Doesn't seem as if Barkley East has woken up this morning. It's too cold. This seems like it's the end of the tar road, yeah?
Now it's gravel all the way to Rhodes.
Yes.
Driving through the mountains, we're surrounded by the beauty of nature. We cross the Bell River with its clear, sparkling water and continue through the landscape covered with a light dusting of snow.
Oh, we can stop here for a bit. Have a look. Yes. Snow has started to turn to ice now.
Yo. my little snowball.
Lovely. Beautiful.
What are you doing? Are you making a little Iceman again?
Yeah. Oh, his head fell off.
You decapitated your Iceman.
It looks more like a lump.
Down there in the valley, I suppose that must be Rhodes. Yeah, the board says, welcome to Rhodes, altitude 1,821.
Rhodes Village, welcome.
Respect the peaceful spirit. Yeah, you can see there's quite a bit of snow that fell here. Here's the Rhodes Hotel.
Little Leeds, here's Little Leeds.
What the cute little cottage.
Welcome to Rhodes and Leeds Cottage. Pick up snow with snow.
Yes. Oh, there you go.
There
Now
we
you've
go.
got a snowball
Now
going.
I've got a snowball going.
Yes, that's fantastic.
Now I've just got to make a head.
Yeah.
There you go. There we go. You improved on my snowman.
Yes.
You made him round and gave him
Yes.
eyes. Check out that. That is so fantastic.
It is time to sit on the stoep in the sun and have some coffee and rusks.
Cheers.
Good morning. Good morning.
This morning we're going for a walk to explore the charming little village of Rhodes.
Wow, look at this beautiful little church.
NG Kerk, or Dutch Reformed Church of Rhodes. That church is, I guess, the reason why Rhodes is here. In the 1860s or something, the agricultural community was such that they thought it would be able to sustain a Dutch Reformed church.
Yeah.
And then, I think it was a Mr. Jim Foster of the farm Tintern. And we actually just passing Tintern Cottage here
Oh,
now.
yes, here's
Yes.
Tintern Cottage. There.
He said that he will sell off his farm in different plots with a certain common area for the village, provided that they named the village after Cecil John Rhodes. And then the church was built first, and then the jail, and I think by 1928 or something they had like 112 children in the school.
Oh,
I
wow.
don't know if this might have been the old school building. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. It just has a plaque on it that says Rhodes.
Yes. But it's a sandstone building, and apparently the school was a sandstone building, and there's this idea that it was designed by Sir Herbert Baker, but it's not confirmed, I don't think. But yeah, then it went on, and in the 70s and 80s Rhodes became like a hippie colony.
Oh, hippies.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the town is today now a conservation area. I think it was proclaimed in 1994 as
okay.
a conservation area. Sure, look how clear the water is here too.
I know.
It's amazing.
Beautiful, this dark river sand with the snow still on it, eh?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that was a fresh walk along the river.
Very.
And yeah, and then we met two of the locals here, Roger and Judy. They have a farm about 6 k's outside of Rhodes.
Yeah.
And they said if we want to come through, we can just drive onto the property and have a wander about. Yes, so here we are. They are in their townhouse at the moment.
Yes.
So they said we can just come and, you know, just walk wherever.
Yes. Wow, here you go.
This is so beautiful.
This is really amazing.
Look at the ice on the water.
Wow.
Now we're at the top here with a little stream and that beautiful waterfall coming down there. We've come up above the little stream now, and I think this is what you meant.
Yeah.
You go up here and then you can walk up, just pick your own way up to the top
Somewhere.
and then have a view.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Made a ball of snow.
There we go. I've got a leaf in mine.
Oh, that went down my top. Oh, that's cold.
Sorry.
That's cold. Sorry. It's so fluffy.
I know, it's fantastic. Pots is going, yes. I must now just be careful that I don't burn this.
Yes. There, the sausage is in the pan. And the pop is coming along nicely.
Wish you could smell it.
Divine. Okay, chakalaka time. There we go. Chakalaka in a bowl. There we go. All plated. Sausage, pop, and chakalaka. Delicious.
Good morning to a rather drizzly Rhodes. It seems rather overcast, and we had a little bit of hail this morning, but now there's a soft little drizzle happening, and it looks rather dreary.
So from a dreary Rhodes we depart, leaving behind its charming streets and misty mountains. As we head back from the awe-inspiring Drakensberg, we carry with us memories of magnificent peaks, serene hikes, and the unparalleled beauty of nature. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the wonders that our world has to offer.